Dave here, Dave's Model Car Shop. Update on the Glory Days group build. Ain't got much to update here. Haven't been building. I got some glass in my eyes and I haven't been doing much of anything. But here's a little update. The engine's done. I gotta put valve covers, headers, radiator hoses are gotta be painted. Chassis done. Interior, body are all need to be painted. I did get the dashboard done. Few little things there, the heater hoses, steering box, and shifter, the tack, front wheels, rear wheels. Drive shaft, little stuff like that is done. Just waiting to paint the body and the interior tub, and then it's gonna go together real easy. What I mean by paint the body is I have to do one more coat on the body, let it dry, and then clear coat it. And the interior tub has to be painted, and that's it. I'm also waiting for my wires to come in for this, and it's all done. Well, that's it. That's my update on the Glory Days group build. I did get a shop card in the mail. Billboards, builders. No, that's building, dummy. Anyways, I do appreciate your chat. I really can't see right now, so if I misspelt your name or mispronounce your name, sorry. My bad, I can't see it. I do appreciate chat for sending me a shop card and the kind words that he put on the back. Also, I got a sticker in the mail from Jason Scale Models from Instagram. If anybody is on Instagram, check them out. Give them a follow. And that's it. I'm off to bed. Talk to you all later.